Commercial and domestic window cleaning, Paradise, South Australia. Window Works Window Cleaning provides window cleaning services to residential and commercial clients in Adelaide and surrounding areas. Established for 25 years, the business shows a healthy turnover of around $200,000 and is not a franchise. There's no lease or rent to worry about as you work from home. You just need your own vehicle. Clients include residential, commercial, strata, industrial and government, with plenty of work coming via word of mouth from repeat clients. The business offers window cleaning and solar panel cleaning, and training will be provided. There's plenty of opportunity to take on more clients and work as much or as little as you wish. The current owner works 6 hours a day, Monday to Friday, with one contractor and a casual. After many successful years, the owner is now looking to relocate and is ready to hand over the reins. This is the perfect opportunity for someone looking to become their own boss with a steady income. With Adelaide and surrounds expanding, you will certainly reap the rewards in the busy cleaning industry.